Hello everybody and welcome back to another awesome video. Today we will be creating a really fun Python project. We will be creating a movie editor in Python so that you can create your own movie editor. I think that's it. That's like crazy. You can do this all with Python and today I will teach you how. So first of all, we need to import movie editor. So from movie py.editor import and then a star. Okay, so you also need to download in your terminal want. So you just write in your terminal pip install want, and you should be able to get the library. This is the first step. And then also, in order so that you can actually change the video, you will need to download. You'll need to download ImageMagick Display. So always when you kind of play this without actually having that, it will actually send you a message. And the message will be able, there will be a link. And if you click on the link, you will be able to get like a link to get there to the web page where you can actually download this. So I've actually spent like 3 hours trying to figure this out. So I hope this will really help. So yeah, but now let's get back to the video. So we need to write clip. This is the name, so you can even put like movie or vid or something. Sorry, I'll just change really fast the keywords. Just like this. Okay. So clip is video file clip. And here in the brackets, we'll put the name of the file. So actually already somewhere over here have the file. Okay, let me take this, copy, and oops, not this, sorry, Control V. Okay, just like this. So now, for example, we need to get a subclip from the big clip. So we'll write clip is clip.subclip, and now we'll put where we want to start. For example, you can put 5 to 15. I'll just put 0 to 10 so that we get the first 10 seconds. Okay, wonderful. So now we will put, if you want to rotate it, we can write clip is clip.rotate. And here we'll put how many degrees we want it to rotate. So for example, 50 degrees. So let's put 50 degrees. Another great thing we could that could be useful would be clip is clip.volume max. And for example, if we put 0.5, that means that the video's volume should be the video's volume times 0.5. So 50% of the volume, the default volume. And now if we want to actually play the video, we can just type video dot IPython display just like this, and now we put brackets and width is 280. Also over here, guys, sorry, I forgot we need to write video is composite video clip and brackets just like this, and over here we put this name, so clip. Later on I will show you how to actually add text to it, so we'll then write it over here as well. So yeah, but right now let's try and play this. I hope this should work. So okay, it's loading. Yes, it's installed. Usually Wow, this will take a lot of time. A minute? Wow. Okay. Okay, guys, see you once it loads. Okay, guys, so finally it has loaded. Wow, a lot of time. And so now if we write temp, we should get the file over here. And as you can see, it's rotated just like we wanted. The volume is down, so this is just one of my old videos. We got the first 10 seconds. As you can see, it's rotated, the volume is down and everything. Okay, so now let's actually learn the fun stuff. Let's learn how to add text to it. So this will get a little bit more complicated, especially because you need to download ImageMagick Display. And now we need to write, if we want to add text, we will write text clip is text play. Yes, exactly. Here, first of all, we put the text. So for example, I will put hello everyone. Next, we need to choose the location. So we will put the, oh no, sorry, we actually need to put the font size first. So font size, let's put it 75. And over here we put the color. As you can see, you can put like so many things. We won't do all of them. I'll just do like the basic ones. So color, and we'll put the color to, let's go with green. So now we need to set the length and position. So set text clip is set dot pose. Oh no, wait, sorry guys. Like this, set pose. Oops, sorry guys, so I'm back. Text, so here we actually, before we need to write like text clip dot set position, so just set pose, center, and dot set duration. We'll set that to, let's see, yeah, 10 seconds. So, and now, we over here, we need to add the name of the, so for us it's text clip, so let's write that. And now let's try and play this. I hope it will work. This is kind of difficult, so. Oh, why so long? 1 minute and 19 seconds. Wow. Wow, guys, finally it has loaded. So let's check if we did everything correctly. Please. Yes, guys, it's working. As you can see, as you can see, it's working. We're successful. So, whoa, this was a little bit stressful. So, as you can see, it displays a text over here. Also over here. So over here, you can change the colors, text, size, position, duration. We can put this to just 3 seconds. Oh, actually, I don't want to load it all again. But of course, you can just change it. So yeah, here you go, guys. Here you can also change the white. So guys, this is how you can actually edit videos thanks to Python. There's so much more stuff to explore, like cool like fading lights and everything, and cool stuff. Also with the ImageMagick, you can edit photos. As you can see, I've actually been kind of trying to working on that over here. but I'm still not doing really well. But it is also really good for editing things. So, for example, blur. I'm not actually sure if you can. Well, let me try it. Let me try it. If you can actually dot blur. Oh, okay, guys. I actually found out that in order to do this, you also need to import image, which we could do, but we'll leave that for the next video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you can see, you can do such crazy stuff with it. You can also like add if statements. We might be doing that in the next video. If this video actually gets 5 likes, if this video gets 5 likes, I'll make another episode on how you can actually create a whole entire software you could actually use. So I think that this is just crazy. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you have enjoyed. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye guys.